There's a new way of getting video agency clients called the inbound retainer system, and 412 of our clients are using it to close high-ticket deals with businesses who pay them month after month. And the reason this works is because it's based on two main things. Number one is a way to get clients on a consistent basis, and number two is a way to get those clients paying you every single month. And that's what our clients get when they use our licensed 4-step system. We've helped hundreds of video and creative business owners get control over their schedule and put more profit in their pockets. And our promise to you is that we're going to help you land 5 to 15 new clients guaranteed, or we're going to work for free until we do. Because we've helped people like Julian add 216K to his video business, or people like Scott who've added 183K and left their full-time job, or Ryan who added 215K and hired his first team member in his video business. And we have countless other examples just like this. And this is all by leveraging our simple 4-step system. And I want to show you the exact system that these clients are using on the next page. So here's what I'm asking. Click or tap the button below so I can share this system with you. And basically on this page, I'll show you all of my secrets on how you can get ideal clients booking on your calendar, so you can close 5 to 15 new clients in your video business. All of this to say, I'm not asking you to buy anything. All I'm asking you to do is say maybe, because if I'm wrong, you've wasted 10 minutes of your life. But what if I'm right? Click the link below. I'll see you there.